Good morning and welcome back to Proof of Work Coin News. I am your host, Coinology. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Moving over to the crypto market. So we had Bitcoin go back up and now coming back down. So what we have going on is KDA is up 11%. Dynex is up 3%. CAS is up 1.5%. Raven is up 1.4%. Some small movers. We do have CKB up 3.7%, so that's something. Let's see here. We do have Doge up 1.5% as well. And then on the other side of things, GRS token coming back down 6.9%. Komodo's down 2.4%. Ethereum POW is down 1.7%. We also have Beam down 2%. Let me know what you think. So obviously, as miners, we are always watching Bitcoin. I don't know how often you check Bitcoin. I know I check Bitcoin multiple times a day. Kind of gives me an indication of what's going to happen with my mining as well as what's happening with the market. So this is over the last year. Obviously, you've seen we went way down, coming back up. But at this point, it almost seems like we've lost momentum to continue to try to hit and go above this 30K mark. And from that, I just wanted to share an article with you from CoinDesk. And it's Bitcoin bulls face a setback as monthly stochastic indicator turns lower. So at the end of August, Bitcoin confirmed an overbought downturn in its monthly stochastic, a signal that has previously marked market peaks. Bitcoin bulls may be in for disappointment, Fairlead Strategies said, as the monthly technical indicator has flashed an overbought downturn signal. The stochastic indicator, developed by George C. Lane in the 1950s, recently turned down from above 80, indicating a loss of upward momentum. The indicator oscillates between 0 and 100, with readings above 80 implying overbought conditions. Readings below 20 suggest the opposite. A turn lower from overbought levels represent a so-called overbought downturn, which indicates a weakening of upward momentum. At the end of August, Bitcoin confirmed an overbought downturn in its monthly stochastics in a setback, Katie Stockton, Fairlead Strategies founder and managing partner, said in a note to clients on Monday. The downturn suggests that basing process may be drawn out, especially given the overhang of the monthly cloud model, which enhances resistance at 31.5K from the weekly cloud model. The comment refers to Bitcoin's repeating failure to scale the so-called cloud resistance at 31,900 in the past few months and points to a long, drawn-out basing or bottoming process. That's a setback toward a long-term turnaround, Stockton wrote. So previous overbought downturns in the early 2021 and December 27 marked major price tops. The monthly MACD histogram indicator used to gauge trend strength and trend changes is flatline near 0, indicating neutral long-term bias. Crossovers above 0 indicate a bullish shift in momentum, while a drop below 0 represents a bearish trend change. While the indicator bottomed out a year ago and has yet to turn positive, suggesting a sustainable uptrend is not yet in force, Stockton noted. So Bitcoin changed hands at 25,700 at press time. According to Stockton, the immediate support is seen at 25,200, while the 50-day simple moving average at 28,200 is key resistance. So if we look at this chart, it looks like we're about here. So we're at an overbought downturn, and it looks like we're moving towards more of a neutral momentum. So I see Bitcoin really moving sideways this entire year. That's something that I've talked about quite a lot. We have these moments where it hits 30K and we have it come down below 25K. But I think that it's going to kind of stick here for the rest of the year. I am personally hoping that it actually comes down from 25,000. I would like to personally purchase more Bitcoin as well as some of these other altcoins. Now, none of this is financial advice. And obviously, I can't predict the future and what's going to happen. And me saying that Bitcoin is moving sideways is just an absolute opinion piece. But please, I would like to know what you're thinking. Do you think Bitcoin is going back down? Do you think Bitcoin is going back up? Do you think Bitcoin is going to be trending sideways? What do you expect to happen? And currently, what are you doing? Are you buying coins? Are you buying alts? Are you buying Bitcoin? Let me know down in the comments below. I would be intrigued to know. So moving over to miner profitability, looks like a lot of the same. So the green team is mostly profitable on SkyDogeNet, where the red team is most profitable on Dynex. So as you can see for most of the 40 series, the 4090 most profitable on SkyDogeNet, doing 78 cents revenue, 37 cents after power. We have the 4080 on SkyDogeNet doing 56 cents a day, 25 cents after power. We have the 4070 Ti on SkyDogeNet doing 40 cents revenue and 21 cents after power. We have the RX 6900 XT on Dynex doing 48 cents revenue, 18 cents after power. We have the 6800 XT on Dynex doing 45 cents revenue, 18 cents after power. Moving down, let's see here if we have any outliers. We have the A4000 on Conceal doing 15 cents a day, 5 cents after power. Let's see here. It looks like profitability is pretty low right now. Yeah, GPUs are not profitable anymore. So I would say if you're almost under like 10 cents right now, you could turn on, unless you have 40 series cards. So it's tough out there right now. Moving over to ASIC miners, you have the KS3 doing $245 a day, $237 after power. We have the Ice River KS3 doing $236, $229 after power. We have the Ice River KS3L doing $148 a day, $140 after power. KS2 is doing $59.21 a day, $56.33 after power. KS1 is doing $29.61, $28.17 after power. Moving down, we have the Jazz Miner X16-P doing $11.31 on Octaspace, $6.75 after power. We have the Antminer L7 on Script NiceHash doing $12.49 a day, $4.75 after power. Antminer D9 on X11, the Block X algorithm is doing $11.08, $4.24 after power. With S19 XP Hydro doing $15.78 a day, $2.94 after power. The Antminer KA3 on Cadena doing $10.46 a day, $2.88 after power. The Antminer KS0 doing $2.96, $2.80 after power. Moving down, we have the Antminer X5 popping up here on XMR doing $5.53 a day, $2.29 after power. We also have the E9 Pro doing $6.63 a day, $1.35 after power. To those of you that stuck around to the very end, I really do appreciate you. This is one of those things where I didn't even think that I was going to get 100 subscribers, and here I am with 559. Super humbling. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please drop your comments below. I would love to know what you think about these topics, as well as other proof of work blockchains and miners. Thank you again, and I will see you tomorrow.